Chrysogonum virginianum, commonly known as green and gold, is a herbaceous perennial plant native to the eastern United States. It is a popular choice for gardeners due to its attractive yellow flowers and ability to tolerate a wide range of growing conditions. Here are some guidelines for growing Chrysogonum virginianum. Climate and sunlight. Green and gold plants thrive in full sun to partial shade conditions. They prefer a moderate climate and can tolerate both heat and cold to some extent. Soil requirements. This plant prefers moist, well-draining soil. It can adapt to a variety of soil types, including loam, clay, and sandy soil. However, it thrives in soil that is rich in organic matter. Planting. It's best to plant Chrysogonum virginianum in the spring or fall when the temperatures are milder. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and place the plant in the hole at the same depth as it was in its nursery container. Backfill the hole with soil and gently firm it around the roots. Watering. Green and gold plants require regular watering, especially during dry periods. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the plants can help retain moisture in the soil. Fertilization. Chrysogonum virginianum generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. However, incorporating compost or well-rotted manure into the soil before planting can provide the plant with nutrients. If necessary, you can use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season following the package instructions. Pruning. After the flowering period, you can trim back the plant to encourage compact growth and to remove any dead or damaged foliage. However, avoid cutting back the entire plant, as it benefits from some green foliage to help it regenerate. By following these guidelines, you should be able to successfully grow Chrysogonum virginianum in your garden. Enjoy its beautiful yellow flowers and the lovely foliage it provides.